carhelpout.com, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic to come to you at any location at your convenience. The future is electric, and it's arriving faster than we might have imagined. Well, at least that's what the government seems to be aiming for with the revamped 2024 EV tax credit. This new policy is designed to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles across the country. Car Help Out here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. This initiative isn't just about being environmentally friendly. It's about creating a sustainable future for the next generations. It's about making electric vehicles more appealing to the average driver. By offering incentives, the government hopes to make EVs a more attractive option for everyone. It's about putting more EVs on the road, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels, and cleaning up our act. The goal is to see a significant reduction in carbon emissions. The tax credit offers a significant financial incentive. This can be a game changer for many potential buyers. This makes buying an EV much more attainable for many people. The financial relief can make a big difference. It can offset the often higher upfront cost of electric vehicles compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars. This helps level the playing field. But how does it work? Let's break it down. In a nutshell, you buy a qualifying electric vehicle. The list of qualifying vehicles is extensive and includes many popular models. Then you claim the credit when you file your federal income taxes for that year. It's a straightforward process. It's a nice little bonus, especially after the splurge of buying a new car. This can make the purchase feel even more rewarding. The credit isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. There are different tiers and amounts based on various factors. Different criteria apply depending on whether you're eyeing a brand new EV fresh off the production line or a pre-owned model with some miles already on the clock. Each has its own set of benefits. There are also some new features, like the point-of-sale option, that make the process even smoother. This allows buyers to benefit from the credit immediately. Let's delve into the specifics, shall we? There's a lot to unpack, and understanding the details can help you make the most of this opportunity. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to carhelpout.com/house and get a relief. So you're thinking about going green and grabbing a brand new EV? Good for you. It's a smart move for both the environment and your wallet. The 2024 EV tax credit can put up to $7,500 back in your pocket. That's a significant amount of savings. That's enough to cover a year's worth of charging, maybe even more depending on how much you drive. Imagine the savings on fuel costs alone. But hold your horses. There are a few caveats. It's important to understand the fine print before you make your purchase. To qualify for the full amount, the EV must meet certain criteria. Not every electric vehicle will be eligible. The vehicle must be assembled in North America. This ensures that the benefits support local industries. This supports local manufacturing and job creation. It's a win-win for the economy and the environment. The battery components and critical minerals used in the EV's battery must also meet specific sourcing requirements. This is crucial for sustainability. This aims to reduce reliance on foreign sources and promote ethical sourcing practices. It's about making responsible choices. It's about building a more sustainable and resilient supply chain for electric vehicles, a future where green technology thrives. Don't worry if a brand new EV isn't in the cards right now. The 2024 tax credit hasn't forgotten about the pre-owned market. You can still get a sweet deal on a used EV. Purchasing a used EV is a great way to enter the world of electric driving without breaking the bank. The used EV tax credit offers a credit of up to $4,000 or 30% of the sale price, whichever is less. Not bad, right? But there are a few conditions here as well. The vehicle must be at least 2 years old. It also needs to be purchased from a dealer. A private sale, unfortunately, won't cut it for the tax credit. And the sale price can't exceed $25,000. One of the most significant changes to the EV tax credit in 2024 is the introduction of the point of sale option. This is a real game changer. Previously, you had to wait until you filed your taxes to claim the credit. Now, you can transfer the credit to the dealer. They can then reduce the purchase price of the EV. This means you get the discount up front. No more waiting for a tax refund to see those savings. This makes buying an EV even more appealing. It removes the hassle of waiting for a tax refund and simplifies the entire process.
It's the convenience.
The good news is that many fantastic electric vehicles qualify for the 2024 tax credit. From sleek sedans to spacious SUVs, there's an EV out there to suit every taste and lifestyle. Looking for a stylish and efficient city car? The Chevrolet Bolt EV and EUV fit the bill perfectly. Need something with a bit more room for the family? The Tesla Model Y or Ford Mustang Mach-E might be just the ticket. For those who crave adventure, the Rivian R1T electric pickup truck is ready to tackle any terrain. And let's not forget the luxurious Audi e-tron and the sporty Porsche Taycan, proving that electric vehicles can be both sustainable and exhilarating. While the 2024 EV tax credit is a fantastic opportunity to save on your next electric car, there are a few hurdles to be aware of. Navigating these rules can be tricky, but understanding them is crucial. Like any government program, there's some fine print. It's important to read and understand all the details. One of the main limitations is the income cap. This means that not everyone will qualify for the credit. To be eligible for the credit, your modified adjusted gross income, MAGI, must fall below certain thresholds. For single filers, the limit is $150,000. This means if you earn more, you won't qualify. For married couples filing jointly, it's $300,000. This combined income limit is crucial for dual-income households. Additionally, there's a price limit for eligible vehicles. This ensures that the credit is used for more affordable options. For SUVs, vans, and pickup trucks, the manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, cannot exceed $80,000. This cap helps keep the focus on practical, family-friendly vehicles. For other vehicles, the MSRP limit is $55,000. This includes most sedans and smaller electric cars. These limitations are designed to ensure that the tax credit benefits those who need it most and prevents it from subsidizing luxury vehicle purchases. By understanding these rules, you can make the most of the EV tax credit and drive away with significant savings. The federal tax credit is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to saving money on your electric vehicle purchase. Many states and local governments offer additional incentives such as rebates, tax credits, and exemptions. For example, California offers a clean vehicle rebate project that provides rebates of up to $7,000 for eligible EVs. Colorado has a tax credit of up to $5,000. New York offers a Drive Clean rebate of up to $2,000. Combining these state and local incentives with the federal tax credit can significantly reduce the cost of your EV. It's like a financial tag team, all working together to make your electric dream a reality.
It's the convenience.
The 2024 EV tax credit is more than just a tax break. It's a symbol of the growing momentum behind electric mobility. It's a clear signal that the future of transportation is electric. With its financial incentives, focus on domestic manufacturing, and support for pre-owned vehicles, the credit makes going electric more accessible and appealing than ever before. As we move towards a more sustainable future, embracing electric vehicles is no longer just an option, it's a necessity. As the legendary racer and car enthusiast Carroll Shelby once said, it's a never-ending battle of making the car better, faster, and going further on a gallon of gas. In this day and age, we can amend that to say going further on a single charge. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.